Kid Zone with Trishy. The Little Red Hen. The Little Red Hen is planting some seeds to make wheat. "Can you help me?" said Hen. "No, I can't," said Dog. The Little Red Hen is watering the seeds. "Can you help me?" said Hen. "No," said Cat. "I can't." The Little Red Hen is picking the wheat. "Can you help me?" said Hen. "No, I can't," said Pig. The Little Red Hen is grinding the wheat into flour. "Can you help me?" Hen said. "No," said Dog, "arf, arf," and Cat, and Pig, oink, oink. The Little Red Hen is mixing the flour into dough for bread. "Can you help me?" Hen said. Dog and Cat and Pig said no. The Little Red Hen is putting the loaf of bread into the oven. "Can you help me?" Hen said. "Arf, arf. No, I can't," said Dog. "No, I can't," said Cat. "No, I can't," said Pig. The Little Red Hen smelled the fresh baked bread. She took it out of the oven and started to slice it to eat it. The dog, the cat, and the pig smelled the fresh bread. They rushed over to the Little Red Hen. "We can help you," said Dog. "Arf, arf," said Cat. Said Pig. "No, you can't," said the Little Red Hen.